Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you, so please subscribe below. Let's get started. In today's video, you're going to be getting a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way through. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Amazon and how beginners are making up to $5,000 or more per month. Plus, later on in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can easily make a ton of money with a very small YouTube channel. I'm talking 2 subscribers here, baby. Okay? So what is Amazon? Amazon is, everyone knows what Amazon. It's basically like the Walmart, but for the internet, 1-day shipping. I don't need to explain Amazon. And everyone knows what Amazon is. It's one of the biggest companies in the world. We're going to be talking about their affiliate program or their Amazon influencers program. Basically, you can monetize your content with the Amazon influencer program. You're going to be getting paid every single time someone clicks on your Amazon link and actually purchases anything. So for example, you can have a link to your camera, and whenever someone clicks on that link and they go buy a fridge, for example, you're going to be getting paid commission up to 5% on that fridge, okay? Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is really simple. You are an affiliate. You're going to be promoting a product or service on your website, social media, YouTube, blog, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And whenever a customer clicks on that link and actually buys something, in terms of Amazon, if someone clicks on your Amazon link and buys anything on their website, your conversions are going to be tracked and the company is going to be paying you a commission, okay? Tons of YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagram influencers have Amazon links in their bio promoting certain products from camera gear to the things they use every single day, okay? For example, if you go on YouTube and search up reviews, product reviews, Freaking Reviews has 597,000 subscribers. He posted a video on July 3 and it gained over 198,000 views. Okay, now these are his affiliate links. He's going to get a kickback or a commission from Amazon whenever you click on these links, okay? When you click on these links, it's going to take you to the Amazon website. You can buy his camera or you can buy anything else, and your total cart value is what he's going to be paid in terms of commission, around 5%. It all really depends on the product. Some of these YouTubers are gaining around $11,000 or more with their Amazon affiliate links. Later on in this video, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money with just 3 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, crazy. So if you want to start a review channel or any YouTube channel in whatever thing you're passionate about, you can make money that way. You can use a site like TubeBuddy. It has a free YouTube thing that's going to teach you how you can actually make money with YouTube. So with TubeBuddy, it's going to give you advanced keyword research. Let TubeBuddy help you find high-performing, searchable video topics, and then it's going to help you craft the perfect title and tags. It's going to help you make your videos a lot faster. Hit the ground running with TubeBuddy's suite of time-saving templates and tools to drastically speed up your publishing time. It's going to help you rank higher in your search results. The higher you rank on YouTube search results, the more views you're going to get, the more clicks you're going to get on your affiliate links. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money with very little subscribers. Okay? So I suggest making your YouTube channel, installing TubeBuddy because it's completely free and you're going to be able to get more views and subscribers. Use a variety of tools to help promote your videos across the web and use your existing videos to drive traffic to new uploads, okay? It's going to help you make new thumbnails, for example. Now, how can you make a lot of money with a simple or small YouTube channel? Aside from Amazon Associates, okay? You can get started with affiliate marketing, okay? In terms of the affiliate marketing for the Amazon Influence program, you're going to build your storefront. You're going to customize your page on Amazon with a personalized URL. You're going to be creating content, meaning create YouTube videos, and you're going to be recommending products to your audience. So here you're going to be earning. Our competitive conversions rates helps maximize earning. You're going to be earning everything, like I said earlier, okay? What is Amazon influencers? As a member of the Amazon influencer program, you are a content creator who provides recommendations to inspire your audience through social media. Okay, how can you monetize your content? There are multiple ways you can earn. You can monetize your social media content by sharing your storefront URL or through affiliate links. We may also surface the content for you posted to your storefront to Amazon shoppers, allowing you to grow your followers and earn more customers. How much you're going to be earning? You can start earning commission when your followers make qualifying purchases via affiliate links. The amount you earn is based on the product sold. Commission rates can be found here and will also be visible on your report. All you got to do to get started with Amazon influencers is click sign up now. Okay? Now, if you don't want to do Amazon because it only gives you 5%, there is another way to make a lot of money with a small YouTube channel. You can sign up for Clickbank.com. What is Clickbank.com, you may ask? It is an affiliate marketplace. It's available in over 200 countries. It's been going at it for 20 years and they've paid out over $4 billion. Okay? It's completely free to join. They have over 100,000 people, 100,000 affiliates like you who are in their marketplace promoting top performing products online, and they get paid on time every single time. It's completely free. All you got to do is click start promoting. It's going to take you to a sign up section, enter your name, your email address, and your password, and you are now officially an affiliate. Okay? You could promote Clickbank products as well as Amazon. You can promote as much products as you can with your YouTube channel. If you go on their marketplace after you sign up to the Clickbank marketplace, you can choose from thousands of great products to promote. If you look at here, if you want to go into the health niche, you can promote an apple cider vinegar ebook, and they're going to be paying you $646. So you can start a YouTube channel in terms of health and fitness, for example. You can promote this Clickbank product. You're going to be making $646, as well as you can promote Amazon affiliate links in your description, and you're going to make money 2 different ways. Okay? If you want to make $2,000 per month, all you got to do is get 4 people to click on their apple cider vinegar ebook, and you're going to be making $2,000 that month. You don't even need to get that many views with YouTube. You don't need 100 subscribers. You could have 10 subscribers, okay? If you could get 100 views on your video, 4 people buy through your affiliate link, you can make a lot of money that way. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, you can get started by clicking the link in my description below. There's going to be a free tutorial. It's going to take you from point A to point Z on how you can make a lot of money as a beginner with affiliate marketing. All you're going to do is enter your first name, enter your email address, get instant access. Boom, that is it. That is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new today. Please consider subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.